And that's just what the song speaks about. And you know, I'm just so blessed to be here to perform these songs to you guys. Hindi ko in-expect I get to really worship with these songs that God has given me with you here in the beautiful island of Boracay. Palapakan natin mga sarili natin. Thank you so much what we do. You know, for what you do for Christ. Sa lahat na nang din dito, if you just met Christ, if you don't know Christ, I just want to remind you how much He loves you so much. Alright, this next song is one of my favorites. It's also one of the originals that God has given me sa aking gospel album. It talks about how big and how great this God that we're serving. Ano, G? Yeah! G kayo mag-vibe, mag-dance, worship the Lord. Let's go! Hey! 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 Ho! It's me, Lord. Na 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 na, yeah yeah yeah.